Okay, this is one of the bottom cards. And there's a young lady in a wagon led by lambs, and there are eggs in the back. And then on this side there are little chicks. And there's writing here in Slovak. Okay, so this is the bottom card. And these are the side cards. Okay. And then inside there are greetings also.